Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we got a new product on my desk. It is new Eken H9R action camera with full Wi-Fi control. So let's move to the unboxing and review of this product. Before we do unboxing of this product, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Let's enter into the unboxing. Wow, the packaging looks same as the GoPro. And front the Eken logo is made. On the right side of the box is mentioned the things you'll be getting inside the box. On the left side and the back side of the box, camera specifications are mentioned. Inside the box you'll be getting one action camera and along with many other accessories which are useful for your motor vlogging. These are all the things you'll be getting inside the box. This action camera has many features at less price and this suits very well for the beginners. And it was priced around 3.5k. You can get this action camera from the AliExpress or Banggood. I bought this action camera from the banggood.com. Links are in the description below. It has a 12MP lens with a 720° super wide angle and with 2 inches LCD display and also has 30 meters waterproof feature, but only with the waterproof case. The new H9R comes with a fully functional Wi-Fi remote with 2.4 GHz frequency which is connected automatically and you don't need to connect to the remote every time you use. And with this remote, we can either start or stop recording or take some snaps. This budget action camera has 7 modes of video recording, 1080p at 60 and 30 fps, 2K at 30 fps, 4K at 25 fps, 720p at 120 fps. And along with these, other modes like photo, time-lapse and brush shots are included. And it comes with a battery capacity of 1000 mAh which takes around 1.5 hours to charge and it gives a backup of 1 hour continuous video recording. As I had already said you, it comes with a Wi-Fi control and you can live remote using your mobile app called iCam. You can install the app from the Play Store or you can scan the QR code which is given in the leaflet. Let me show you how to remote your recordings to your mobile. At first click on the down button, then the Wi-Fi in the action camera turns on. And now download the iCam from the Play Store. This is how the app interface looks like. Click on the connected to device Wi-Fi and then you will be seeing the Wi-Fi network named Eken H9R. Click on that network, that's it, you are now connected to the network. Now you can live remote your recordings. The connectivity range is good enough between the camera and the mobile, but sometimes it is used to fluctuate. Maybe these errors can be overcome with the future app updates. Okay, let me show you how to set modes in this action camera. At first, by clicking on the mode button, it changes the mode to photo, time-lapse, brush shots and then it displays the settings icon. Then click on the shutter button or selection button. Then you can see the video settings with a different resolution. You can set the resolution in which you wanted to shoot. This is how you can set the resolution in this action camera. These are the sample shots taken in this action camera at 1080p 60 frames per second. Now let's move to the pros and cons section. It has an excellent build quality with 30 meters waterproof feature, fully functional Wi-Fi control, Wi-Fi remote, good video quality, automatic exposure, and you can also adjust the exposure manually. And the things I don't like in the action camera is sometimes you will be getting shrinks in the video and bad app interface and no image stabilization. It's better to not consider electronic image stabilization at this price. At this price, no other companies provides electronic image stabilization, so it's better not to consider EAS. So this is all my unboxing and review on the Eken H9R action camera. Hope you guys like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel, ring that bell icon down there, and thanks for watching this video.